Well, no symptoms. 2 words families experiencing a rare disease would give anything to hear. We are on this topic because it's Rare Disease Day, referring to a disease or condition that affects less than 200,000 Americans. Something called tuberous sclerosis complex meets that criteria. And I met this Corpus Christi child born with TSC. You wouldn't know it, though, thanks to an ongoing clinical drug trial.
We are at, she calls the Duck Park.
On this nice sunny day, Nora's playing a little hard to get. She actually was. Her parents did IVF, a lab fertilization process to conceive her, because mom has a cancer gene they didn't want transferred.
So to have them tell us that she has a different gene disorder was terrifying.
This baby fearlessly lives with tuberous sclerosis complex. Here's how they found out: an ultrasound showing heart tumors.
They turned up as like bright white spots.
Nora's life started hooked up to cords, and she'll always have to check in with a doctor. What really matters here is that she's an inspiration.
In the world of tuberous sclerosis, she truly is a success story.
As a newborn, Nora was involved in the first trial for a medicine to potentially stop or control TSC symptoms. Hi. And it's working.
She has no symptoms that we've been able to identify at this time. So she did develop seizures, and she did have some delays in her language development, but the seizures are gone. She's off all seizure medicines, and her language has completely caught up. So she is on the developmental track for her age.
We are not the scientists and we don't know for sure, but in our hearts we believe that putting her on that medicine as early as we did is what's giving us this great outcome that we have with her so far.
I got you. So right now, they're enjoying the miracle of modern medicine.
And the hope is to have all children born with TSC follow the same path Nora is on. That means more studies, including on the medicine she's taking. It's happening at UT Health Houston, led by Dr. Hope Northrup. They have 1 patient and need 7 more. Dr. Northrup tells me she also cared for Nora and says babies 6 months and younger diagnosed with TSC and haven't had a seizure can enroll.